All right, so here's the choking chain goes there. The choking chain. It's not a chain, it's elastic.
Yeah.
All right, so we're taking them off for a walk, and this is a perfect device to also add in with your regular chain. So when it gets out of control, just pull a little bit. It's a bungee cord, doesn't hurt them. There's actually 2 beads that actually locks in, so you won't choke him any more than that. It's only enough for him to understand that he's not the boss. Right, today we're gonna bring a leash, and this is actually a choking leash, all right, a choke chain kind of thing, but it's not a chain. It's actually a bungee nylon string, pretty much. Now, I actually use this on my dog because he is very wild walking him, and this actually gives him control in here, of course. And it has these little adjustments that you can always adjust it to however you like. All right, so when you put this on, it has this other cord here that's also, this is cloth, all right, leather, and then bungee. This is kind of like a nylon bungee string kind of thing, if you guys can see that. But when you're putting on your dog and he doesn't have a leash, very simple. When you put it on your dog, all you got to do is put it over his head, all right, and that's pretty much it. You're able to walk him. You're able to walk him. Adjustments, very simple. He gets out of control and he starts running. The stronger he pulls, the stronger this thing ties up, right? Very simple. It has a bungee extension that we have, and then of course you can always adjustment to the maximum that you can go by hitting the little button here and stretching it out. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.